In this video, I will show you how you can use the replay function within TradingView. So first of all, the replay function is a very useful tool when you want to backtest within TradingView. So this way you can improve your strategies, improve your win rate, and become a better trader in general. So in order to replay or use the replay function, you need to go to the top bar of your screen and then tap on the replay function right there. So it's important to note that the replay function is only available to a paid plan. Now, I have a $15 discount in the link in the description. So you get a discount and yeah, you can try it out yourself for free because the essential plan is only $15 per month. And yeah, and the essential plan is, at least the essential plan is necessary in order to use the replay function. Now, how to use this replay function? Just tap on the replay function and select a random time frame in the market, for example, right here. And right now, the you don't see the other the current part of the market. You don't see the other candles. Now, what you can do is you can press on play right here, and the candles, the graph will play within with the 10x speed. You can also change this to 3, so now it will play 3 candles per second. Right now 10, etc, etc. As you can see, 1 is of course 1 per second, just like this. And you can also make this even slower. To select a chart again, you can tap on select bar and select it again. You can also select a date or a random bar, which is very cool. What you also can do is you can skip a candle by tapping on this button, as you can see, or you can go to the current time, as you can see. So I hope this video was kind of helpful. If you have any questions, yeah, let them know down below. And yeah, remember to check out the link in the description for a $15 discount so you can use the replay function yourself. Bye bye.